First question. What are the problems derived from drinking bottled water? Mention 2 problems at least. Answer. If the oil is used to make water bottles, the earth will pay the worst consequences. If the water bottles end up in landfills, they will pollute the planet. Second question. What is the difference between bottled water and drinking water? Answer. Bottled water is less regulated than tap water. People choose tap over bottled water. Bottled water costs 2,000 times more than tap water. Third question. Describe the process involved in manufacturing a plastic bottle. Answer. The oil is used to make the bottled water. It contributes to the pollution of the earth. 80% of bottled water end up in landfills. Here, the bottles are burned. A few bottles get collected for recycling. Fourth question. What happens with the plastic bottles after we throw them away? Answer. 80% of bottled water end up in landfills. Some bottles are burned. A few bottles get collected for recycling. Fifth question. What solution can be implemented to solve this problem? Answer. If we want to drink water in a bottled water, instead of drinking bottled water, we will drink tap water. Sixth question. Is this problem common in your community? What does the community do to deal with it? Answer. No. In Colombia, specifically in Pereira, some people drink water in bottled water, not many people. Some people throw the bottles in garbage. Others throw them into the recycling places. Seventh question. Will you drink bottled water again? Why? Why not? Answer. Maybe I will drink bottled water, but I will throw the bottles into the recycling places. I drink bottled water a few times. Eighth question. What will you do in the future to reduce the number of plastic bottles used in the world? Answer. I will throw the plastic bottles into the recycling places. And if I have the opportunity to participate in recycling campaigns, I will do it. Thanks.